Hello, in the last lecture, we created the hello.py file inside the scripts directory of the myfirstp package. In this lecture, we will write a simple Python code to print hello from Python. We will directly open the hello.py file and start editing. Here we will use the print command to print hello from Python and then save it. At this point, if we try to execute this file, we will see two errors. The first error is that ROS does not know yet that this file is a Python file. Instead, ROS will treat this Python script as a bash script. To resolve the first error, we need to provide the Python interpreter path on the top of this file. Open a terminal and run the command which Python to find out the Python interpreter location in your PC. In my PC, this is the Python interpreter location. We will copy this path using Ctrl+Shift+C and paste in the first line of the hello.py file. Also, we will prepend this line with a hashbang sequence and then save the file. Now, this Python file is completed. The second error is that, as of now, hello.py is just a file that we can read and write but cannot execute. You can check that by running the ls-l command from the script folder. Here, R and W signifies the read and write permission. Since we also want to execute this file, we will run the command chmod +x hello.py. Now, by running the ls-l command, we can see that this file also has the execution permission. Here, x signifies the execution permission. Now, the hello.py file is ready to be executed in ROS. This finishes the lecture. In the next lecture, we will see how to execute this executable. Thank you.